Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Acorn protocol token. Ticker symbol is ACN. This token just got listed today, May 20th on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Acorn protocol just got listed today on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search ACN, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there was a big announcement for Kickstarter event that happened yesterday, May 19th to May 20th, and now the token is listed today, May 20th, 10 o'clock UTC time for trading on Mexc Global. So if you want to find info regarding the Acorn protocol, it is at Acorn Protocol on Twitter. They have a verified Twitter there with the blue check mark. It says Acorn Protocol is an open collaboration protocol based on a trustless foundation. So they also have a Telegram at Acorn_official and a Discord listed on their Twitter. And as always, I will put up the Twitter here in the corner of the video so you guys can easily find this token, go check it out, and you won't get confused with any other tokens with Acorn in the name. Acorn.eco is their official webpage. Their Twitter has 38,000 Twitter followers. So it says Acorn Protocol is a platform that allows people to earn rewards by completing simple tasks that contribute to the creation of high-quality training data for machine learning. You can learn all about this in their pinned tweet here as well. So it says, training data is the foundation of machine learning. It's the data that algorithms learn from to make predictions and decisions. Without high-quality training data, machine learning models will not perform well. That's why companies and organizations invest a lot of resources in collecting, cleaning, and labeling data for machine learning. It's a time-consuming and expensive process. But what if I told you you can participate in generating training data and help the AI revolution while getting rewarded for it? Well, that's where the Acorn box comes in. So by working with the Acorn box, you're not only earning the ACN token rewards, but you're also helping to train machine learning models that can have a real-world impact. The training data you generate on Acorn Box could be used to improve self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, or natural language processing, among other things. And by contributing to the creation of high-quality training data, you're helping to advance the AI revolution and make a more positive impact on society. It says download the Acorn Box mobile app from the App Store and start contributing to the AI revolution today. So you can find a link to the Acorn box on their official webpage. They also have a full white paper too on their webpage. You could change the language on their webpage. Tons of info on their white paper, 26-page white paper. So it's an ecosystem for open network collaboration. So Acorn Protocol aims to build an ecosystem for open network collaboration. Acorn Protocol facilitates creation, curation, evaluation, and exchange of data, empowering people to cherish the value of data. Now everybody creates value. With Acorn Protocol, anyone can create value and get rewarded based on their contribution in real time. Acorn Protocol builds a transparent, sustainable network economy protocol. Acorn Protocol provides an open collaboration network for value creation and exchange in a high-capacity network designed for mass collaboration, a new form of value creation. So Acorn Protocol provides a set of data processing and incentivizing system. The value of data is fairly and transparently recognized, so the data provided is fairly compensated, and the data consumer can be ensured reliable data. So the token, the Acorn token, ACN, when the value of data is recognized, the data providers will receive Acorn tokens from the protocol or data consumer. Acorn tokens monetize value and make the value flow in a more vibrant way. Then they have a link to download the Acorn box right under that on their webpage, acorn.eco. An easy way to use a mobile wallet app built for anyone who would like to acquire, manage, or utilize the ACN tokens. They also have a section here for developers. Empower your community with the Acorn Protocol. Acorn Protocol connects data providers and data consumers to create a win-win platform for value transactions. Developers can deploy their service with the Acorn Protocol seamlessly with the Acorn SDK. And on their webpage, they have SDK documents. They have a GitHub you could check out. So this token, it says on the Maro blockchain, M-A-R-O, and this is involved with the Acorn Protocol. I assume it's brought to you by the same people. This Maro blockchain coin also got listed on Mexc Global today, along with the Acorn Protocol token. And I will also be uploading a video today on the Maro blockchain for you guys to understand what that is. But in a nutshell, the Maro blockchain, a high-functioning blockchain infrastructure with a sustainable token economy ecosystem, significantly boosts the value of the Acorn Protocol, so they work together. By connecting data providers and data consumers, Acorn Protocol and Maro ultimately transform traditional industries into data economy. And to learn more about the Maro blockchain, check out my video that I'm going to upload on that today. But besides that, you can find the Acorn token and Maro both listed on Mexc Global as of today, May 20th. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.